Going on YouTube, it's Jayyduty here. Now, somebody had reached out with my emails and asked me, like, yo, Jayyduty, bro, how do I not think weird or not be weird around women? Like, how do I not act out of character and do the wrong thing? You not, my nigga. Like, it's simply like this, dog. Once you get in a conversation with her ass, all that fear goes out the window. Nigga, it's just a girl, bro. You acting like this bitch is some type of alien or some type of Jesus or some shit. Like, you acting like this bitch is just so fearful that she'll physically hurt you. Nigga, do y'all know women is more weird than goddamn man? They just projecting, dog. Women express themselves more than goddamn men, dog. All you gotta do is just shut the fuck up and listen. Nah, you probably like Jayyduty, but what do you mean I gotta play the nonchalant role? Like, why should I play the nonchalant role, dog? Like, do women not like men when they express their emotions? No. The reason why I say play the nonchalant role is because, dog, you actually gotta pay attention to what she actually wants. Dog, being a yapper is a turnoff. Bruh, go ahead and yap to that girl. Yap. She gonna be all around her friends like, girl, this nigga is a yapper. Like, he don't know how to shut the hell up, bro. Like, all he do is just talk. Dog, if you just be quiet and actually know what she actually wants and respond based off what she said, oh my God, bro, the relationship is 10 times better, my nigga. The conversation gonna go 10 times smoother. You know why? Because now you actually quiet and you actually listening. You get what I'm saying? Dog, it's rare as hell to find a dude who actually listen. Like, you know how many old heads and how many females I was fucking with? Like, yeah, I just love how you a good listener. Like, you actually, like, I'm like open to speak to you because, like, I know you listening and you provide good advice. You get what I'm saying, dog? Let me tell y'all the difference between a real nigga and a fuck nigga, okay? A fuck nigga would use her problems against her. You get what I'm saying? Like, a girl can be like, yeah, I'm dealing with this and whoop-de-whoop. And then, like, 2 days later, she get in an argument with his ass. And he used her problem, what she just said, against her. Like, he trying to, like, it's like she wanted help from this nigga. But then he like, oh, but you this and that. Oh, yeah, you told me you was this, like, bitch, you that. Like, he on some toxic shit, using her problems against her, okay? A real nigga don't do that. See, real niggas, we provide a solution. So if you tell me about your problem, bitch, matter of fact, I'm not going to even say bitch. But I'm going to think in my head like, dang, how can I provide a solution so I can overcome her goddamn problem, or she can overcome her goddamn problem? See, that's real niggas. You get what I'm saying? So, let me tell you something. It's rare to find a number 2 ass nigga. It's rare. So, dog, be that 1% man. Don't be like everybody else. You know, everybody hate their girlfriend. Everybody on some stupid shit with their girlfriend. Everybody cheating. Everybody doing all that unnecessary shit with their significant other when they can just be single. Don't be like them niggas, dog. Be different. Have an open mind. Be intelligent. You know what I'm saying? That's why you should play the nonchalant role. Because if you just be quiet and listen, she gonna appreciate you better. She gonna love you better. She gonna speak to you. Matter of fact, it don't even matter if you the only nigga. You the favorite nigga. So that means, dog, when she feel down, she gonna always gravitate towards you. When she feel happy, she's gonna always gravitate towards you. You know why? Because you that 1% nigga, she can't find you everywhere, dog. That's why you should play the nonchalant role. Now, let's get into the actual question. How do I not think weird or not act out of character around women, okay? First of all, my nigga, if you masturbate 24/7, this is why you feel like you're weird. Because the thing you're doing is weird. Like, your higher self is being honest to you. What you feel inside you, that shit is being honest to you, okay? You weird, my nigga. Bro, dog, you sit around and watch 2 people have XTX. Bro, I be feeling weird too. Nigga, give me your addiction. I wouldn't even have no communication skills with women either, dog. Like, give me your addiction. I feel like a weird ass nigga too. If you just stop watching 2 people have sex, my nigga, you will become more confident. But you gotta just let it go, dog. I'm not that nigga 3 years ago that be like, oh yeah, just let it go. Like, no, nigga, if you can't let it go, nigga, you're weak. You're weak. What you mean you addicted to another man inserting his penis into another female? How's you even addicted to that? Look in the mirror and ask yourself, nigga, how am I even addicted to that, dog? That's the worst addiction you can ever have on earth. You addicted to another man's sex life. Do that click in, my nigga? Like, can you repeat that shit to yourself? Bro, am I addicted to another man? Why am I addicted to this shit? Like, you gotta ask yourself, bro, why am I addicted? It's, bro, dog, that shit fucks with you psychologically. That shit kills you spiritually. it demotivates your drive as a man. If you just stop masturbating, my nigga, and you actually go out here and socialize with women, you ain't even be thinking weird about them. Or you ain't even act out of character. You would be on some chill, cool nigga shit. My nigga, yo, see that's within you, that's your life force. That's your kingdom. You get what I'm saying? If you go on a no-fap for like 30 days, my nigga, you wouldn't feel no type of way about women. Women would not even be available in your head. You know why? Because now you just desexualize your brain to women. Okay, so you probably look at women as a sex toy. Like every time you look at a woman, you be like, damn, bro, like I just want to fuck her ass. How her ass sound when I get in the bed? But if you go 30 days without watching PRN, bro, you will become a motherfucking god, my nigga. Like you will start to become actually confident in yourself. You get what I'm saying? Like you would actually like socialize with women effortlessly. Like you wouldn't even be scared to do anything because you understand that, my nigga. There's nothing to be scared of, my nigga. The reason why you scared is because your brain thinks the phone is the pussy. So if your brain think the phone is the pussy, dog, guess what? When women in your presence, you're going to be scared as hell, always on your phone, because your brain think the phone is the actual woman. You get what I'm saying? That's how your brain think, okay? If you just go into no-fap for like 30 days, your brain would think differently. And I'm going to tell y'all something, dog. When you masturbate 24/7, you are becoming invisible to women. That means women don't recognize you because they see straight through you niggas. Understand that, dog? They see straight through you niggas. Soon as they look at you, they already know what aura you operating on. They already know there's nothing there that's within you that can spark her. Women is looking for a spark. Like, they just looking for a nigga with a great idea. Like, I'm being dead ass, bro. Like, take it from a nigga who was all around women in high school. Women just looking for a nigga with a great idea so they can act on it together. So when you masturbate and watch PRN 24/7, you are operating on the lowest version of yourself. Pay attention to your chakras, okay? This is your chakras. This is your root chakra. When you masturbate 24/7, you are living at the lowest version of yourself. That's fear, anxiety, depression. That's all low vibrational emotions, okay? There's no spark right there. See, when you go on no-fap for 30 days and you start to operate on the highest version of yourself, that's where you start to align your chakras. That's where you start to actually tap into more ideas. You know why? Because that's where your crown chakra is, and that's where your third eye is. And then this is where women gonna actually start to look up. They ain't gonna be able to figure you out. That's why they don't have to talk to you. Because you becoming unrecognizable. You get what I'm saying? So people ain't got no choice but to talk to you and just to figure out who you are. You want to be that mystery ass nigga. Like, yeah, I can figure out everybody else in this room, but you, what you up to? Another thing too, okay? You have to look attractive, okay? Women already think y'all niggas creepy when y'all look unattractive, okay? Now, I don't think nobody is ugly. I just think y'all niggas not trying. I just feel like you not ugly as a person. Your habits is ugly. You get what I'm saying? Your characteristics not ugly, but your habits is unattractive. And this what makes you unattractive is because you pick up on unattractive habits. You see, if you just start to hit the gym for like 10 days straight, my nigga, and then stay consistent with it, my nigga, you will start to look attractive. You know why? Because now you start to pick up on attractive habits, okay? Do it for your life, dog. Like, it's more than just watching a nigga talking about it on social media. You actually gotta do it. Like, for all my unattractive people or for all my overweight motherfuckers, okay? You gotta snap up out of it, bro. Like, I know you feel like, well, I can't do it, bro. Like, I got an eating disorder. Like, I feel so lazy. I can't do anything. Like, my body is just telling me to lay in the bed. Bro, listen, dog. It's a spark, my nigga. Something got to spark you. Something got to just motivate you, bro. You got to talk to yourself. You got to say, no, I'm going to get the fuck out this bed and go do like goddamn 5 push-ups. Matter of fact, I'm going to get the fuck off this bed and go goddamn run around my park. Like, something has to spark you, nigga. Like, nobody can do it for you but you. Something has to spark you, okay? You can do it. Stop saying, oh, I was just born this way. Stop, bro. See, dog, and y'all wonder why women don't pay attention to you. Because look what you tell yourself. Oh, I'm just born this way. I'll never lose weight. Like, you already downgrading yourself, my nigga. First, you got to switch how you talk to yourself. Like, first, you got to start to wake up with good positive affirmations. You got what I'm saying? Like, you gotta wake up good, my nigga. Like, you gotta wake up already deciding what you're gonna do. Matter of fact, before you go to bed, already decide what you're gonna do and visualize yourself doing it. You get what I'm saying? So at night, my nigga, go to sleep early, okay? Visualize yourself running around your park, for 30 minutes. Visualize that. Tell yourself, when I wake up, I'ma do it. When I wake up, I'ma do it. And then when you wake up, my nigga, do it. It's not that hard. Just do it. Just do what you would say. You do what these rappers say. You do what people you look up to say. Do what you say. You get what I'm saying? Follow that voice inside your head. Bro, it's not that difficult, my nigga. All you gotta do is just spark something within you. Only you can spark that seed within you. All you gotta do is just tell yourself, like, yo, I'm gonna get the fuck up and do something, and you do what you say, okay? And do that shit for like 30 days straight. You get what I'm saying? Now you probably like, Jayyduty, but it's hard to pick up on good habits. That's because you addicted to bad habits. See, if you, bro, I'm trying to tell y'all, good habits and bad habits, it's not the same thing, but it's like the same concept, okay? How you be addicted to one thing is how you be addicted to another thing, okay? It's the same thing. You see, you addicted to bad habits because you did it repeatedly. That's what causes addiction. So stop doing bad things repeatedly and pick up on good habits repeatedly. And you will start to do that every day for your life. It's really not that hard, like, bro, like, it's not that hard. Like, if you just do it right now, bro, do it for like 5 minutes a day, like stretch for like 5 minutes a day, do push-ups for like 5 minutes a day, and do that shit 3 times a day. My nigga, you gonna get addicted to doing that shit. You gonna do that shit everywhere. Like, you gonna do that shit even when you at work. You gonna actually do this shit like soon as you wake up out the bed, because now this is where you're gonna just be inspired to just work out. Like, work out, I don't know, bro, like, me personally, I love working out. Like, working out is like my thing. Like, I just love working out. You get what I'm saying? So, my nigga, work out, my nigga. Like, you feel me? Get in great shape, my nigga. Like, even if you feel like you a skinny ass nigga, still get in great shape, because it's still doing something to you mentally. You get what I'm saying? Don't worry about the results. Worry about what it does to you spiritually. You get what I'm saying? Because working out is more spiritual than most people think, okay? So pay attention to yourself, dog. Pick up on good habits, okay? That's all you have to do, is just pick up on good habits if you want to look attractive, okay? Unattractive people has unattractive habits. They downgrade themselves, meaning they always tell themselves they not good enough, and then they don't pull no woman. You know why? Because the first 2 things that they done in their life. You get what I'm saying? So if they just pick up on good habits such as hit the gym, actually take showers, and actually eat healthy, and actually start to affirm positive affirmations to themselves, guess what? They'll be attractive. You know why? Because they did it themselves. You get what I'm saying? Dog, the reason why I'm attractive because I did it to myself, my nigga. You get what I'm saying? Nigga, I'm the one that hit the gym every single day. I'm the one that had them positive conversations with my best friend. I'm the one that put in the work. You know, so if you put in the work now, your body would thank you later. That's all it is, my nigga. Anyways, dog, I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.